Hey, Ken Silvestri, Broadway Limited Imports. I'm so excited about today's video, let's get right to it. Now, have you ever stood near a real locomotive, a 12 inches to the foot locomotive, and you see the tremendous physical size, all the steel, all the iron, all the power, and then there's the sounds, from the high pitch of a steam locomotive whistle to the diesel rumble of the prime mover. The sounds, not only hear them, but you feel them. Now with our models, we've had very good sound, but we've had a problem. And the problem stems from, this is the speaker. This speaker is incapable of low frequencies. Its physical size just won't allow it. So we have a solution at Broadway. And now here's Bob Gruber to explain that elegant solution.
Been a number of attempts through the years to play the locomotive sounds through bigger speakers, and most of those really haven't been adequate, primarily because the sounds weren't the right sounds and they weren't synchronized to what the locomotives were doing. What we've done with our new Rolling Thunder system is we have the correct sound files in the locomotive, and then we have a little radio transmitter that sends the low frequency sounds to a receiver that is typically underneath the locomotive or underneath the layout, and the receiver plays those through a big subwoofer under the table, and the end result is that your ear kind of merges the sounds together, and it sounds like a real locomotive. You've got the high frequency sounds that have always played out of the locomotive speaker, and then the low frequency, it's kind of like a big surround sound system. So when I turn on this AC6000, you can kind of hear the low frequency, you can feel it a little bit, much more substantial than sounds that we've been able to get in the past. When you're running the locomotive, it's been kind of interesting to me as we've gotten used to this, is to run it and then unplug the subwoofer. And you really hear a dramatic difference in what was playing when you plug it back in.
As Bob just explained, the full spectrum Rolling Thunder sound experience consists of two parts. First, you'll need any Paragon 3 equipped locomotive. All Paragon 3 locomotives are equipped with a Rolling Thunder radio transmitter which wirelessly sends the synchronized low-frequency sound signals to the Rolling Thunder receiver. Which brings us to the second element required for the Rolling Thunder experience, the Rolling Thunder receiver and subwoofer kit. The complete Rolling Thunder receiver with subwoofer kit receives the low-frequency sound signals that your Paragon 3 locomotive sends and then plays the synchronized low-frequency sounds through the attached subwoofer, giving you a rich, powerful sound experience that you can not only hear, but also feel. So there you have it. Pre-order your complete Rolling Thunder receiver and subwoofer kit and select your favorite Paragon 3 locomotive prototypes, and you'll be off and running with full spectrum Rolling Thunder sounds.
Cool. Now the first locomotive with Rolling Thunder installed will be the Paragon 3 M1A HO locomotive, and that's still available for pre-order. Was that some weather? I think there's a storm coming. Somebody grab Toto. that? Isn't that the coolest thing you ever saw? Now you can control the weather on your layout. Now this product is under development, and the cool part of it is that it works on N scale. It works on HO, it works on S, it works on O, it works on large scale. It'll work in studio or department 56. Anything that you want to use, dioramas, it's very cool. So, thank you very much, and until next time, happy railroading. I'm getting out in the rain.